Good morning, my dear students. Today in this video clip, I discuss about two more important equations, that is height of the projectile and range of the projectile. Height of the projectile and rate of that is the range of the projectile. Yes. Before going to discuss about these 2 points, I want to request to all my dear students, you become a subscriber for our physics channel. You become a subscriber for our physics channel. How you become a subscriber? You press that is the red color subscriber button, and then you press the bell button, and you become a subscriber for our channel. Now you watch complete video clip, and for your kind information, if you like this video clip, you share to other students, and you press the like button. Yes, thank you. Now you come to the point. Before going to these 2 points, I want to discuss about, that is, equation for trajectory of a projectile. I explained few points about that one, and time of flight. What is the projectile motion? Any particle or body thrown in the space with a certain angle to the horizontal, then it is moving a curved path due to the effect of gravity. This is called projectile motion. Once again I repeat, projectile motion. Any particle or a body is projected or thrown in the space with a certain angle to the horizontal. Now it is moving a curved path due to the effect of gravity. This is called projectile motion. Now see, you projected the body like this, it is moving like this. This is said to be projectile motion. What are the examples? Throw ball. You throw a throw ball, striking a cricket ball. That ball is moving like this. It is a projectile motion. And satellite is projected with the help of a launching vehicle. That is also projectile motion. It is also projectile motion. Javelin throw, discus throw, these are shot put throw. These are said to be projectile motion. Examples of that is projectile motion. Any missile, you operate the missile is go like this, move like this. It is moving a curved path due to the effect of, that is, gravity. Now, what is the nature of the curve of the projectile motion? This is said to be parabola. This is in the shape of parabola. Parabola equation is y is equal to ax minus bx square. So this is the example for that is the projectile motion. Now the few definitions are, now here this is the velocity of the projection u. A body is projected in a space with a certain angle to the horizontal. Whatever the velocity is given to the body, that is called velocity of the projection. In what angle you projected the body to the horizontal, or what angle? In what angle you project the body to the horizontal? That is called angle of projection. Theta, angle of projection. U, velocity of the projection. Now it is the body is projected in the xy plane. Therefore, the projectile motion, now this is said to be 2-dimension motion. It is example for the 2-dimension motion. The one particular plane. Here there is the xy plane. Now velocity of the particle or a body, velocity of the particle or a body at any point in its path is resolved into 2 components. One of the component is ux is equal to u cos theta. It is horizontal. It is throughout the projectile motion, it is uniform. There is no change in the direction. One more component of velocity is the vertical component, that is u sin theta. This magnitude is varies. Not only that magnitude is varies, but also change the direction. Direction could change. Now, projectile motion. This is for ascent, and it is the maximum height of the projectile. Now, this is the descent. T is the time taken for ascent. Another T, time taken for descent. Whatever the time taken for ascent is equal to time taken for descent. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತದೆ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಏರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಿಂಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಏರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಗಾಳಿ ಒತ್ತಡ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Now, path followed by the projectile, path followed by the particle in the projectile motion, that is called trajectory. Now, you obtain the expression for the trajectory, that is in the form of, say, prove that it is in the form of parabola. It is a 5-mark question, very important question. You show that it is a parabola. Okay. Now, when that particle reaches the maximum height, it at this point it covered vertical distance y and horizontal distance is x horizontal distance cover ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ t ಒಳಗೆ vertical distance cover ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದಟ್ previous video, watch that previous video. Okay? Now, the vertical distance covered by the particle, that is uyt plus 1 by 2 ayt square. Uy, velocity component along y-axis, time t, 1 by 2 ay, acceleration along vertical along y-axis, this is minus g. Ay is equal to, that is minus g. Now, u sin theta, uy, 2t minus, instead of a1 you said minus g, 1 minus 1 by 2 gt square. The distance covered along horizontal x in the same time t, that is x is equal to u cos theta to t, velocity to t, because the acceleration is 0. The acceleration along x-axis is 0. Why? Because this component is uniform. U cos theta component is uniform throughout the projectile motion. Not only uniform, it is in the same direction. Therefore, what are we doing here? X is equal to u cos theta into t, t is equal to x by u cos theta. What do you want here? You substitute t in this equation. U sin theta t, x by u cos theta minus 1 by 2 g t square x by u cos theta whole square. Now you rearrange this one. U get cancelled here. That's fine. Sin theta by cos theta x minus g x square divided by 2u square cos square theta. Yes, this is sin theta by cos theta tan theta x minus g divided by 2u square cos square theta. X square is separated. Now it is in the form of this equation. This equation is parabola equation. Or you say minus or plus here, ax plus bx square, that is also you say in the parabola equation. You should take that is the minus. Okay, fine. Now see here, this is in the form of this equation. A here, A is tan theta, B is equal to g divided by 2u square cos square theta. Hence you show that equation of trajectory is parabola. It is one of the very important equation that is asked in the examination for 5 marks. Yes. Now there are 3 important definitions. One is time of flight. What do you say? Time of flight. One is time of flight. Another one is height projectile, another one is range of the projectile. There are three important expressions in the projectile motion. In previous video clip, already you have to prove that you obtain the expression for time of flight. Time of flight is 2u sin theta by z. What is t? U sin theta by z. Now, time taken to reach the maximum height. Time taken for ascent. Time taken for ascent is u sin theta by z. Same time taken for descent. Or same time taken for descent. Therefore, this t is equal to 2t. Means t is equal to t plus t. That is 2t. Final expression for the time of flight is 2u sin theta by z. 2u sin theta divided by g. You got the expression for this is time of flight. Time of flight expression is over. Now, you obtain the expression for height of the projectile. What is the meaning of height of the projectile? The maximum vertical distance covered by the particle in the projectile motion is called height of the projectile or maximum height of the projectile. That is y is equal to what you have to take here, h you have to take. Now, y you have to take here, h. Uy you have to take here, u sin theta. Yes, ay you have to take here, minus z. Like that. T you have to take here, time for ascent, u sin theta divided by g. Here you have to take the vertical distance, y is equal to h. Therefore, you take the velocity, initial velocity along only that is y-axis in a vertical direction, u sin theta. Acceleration is always negative, that is the acceleration due to gravity, that is the minus z. By equation of motion, by the equation of motion. Y is equal to, that is uyt plus 1 by 2 ayt square. Okay. Now what about this here? In another method is also there, you obtain the expression for the maximum height of the projectile, but we have to use this method here. Y is equal to uyt plus 1 by 2 ayt square. Now, therefore, y is said to be h here. H uy is said to be u sin theta. Now this is the u sin theta upon t. This is minus 1 by 2g. Now this is u sin theta divided by t whole square. This is one of the methods that is used to obtain the expression for the height of the projectile. Now what do you want to see here? This is therefore h is equal to u square sin square theta. U square? U sin theta divided by g. Sorry, this is u sin theta divided by g. Yes. U square sin square theta divided by g minus 1 by 2 g u square sin square theta divided by 2g, sorry, g square. Okay. Now 1g get cancelled here. 1g is get cancelled. 1g get cancelled. Once now this is the g is 1g get cancelled. Now therefore h is equal to u square sin square theta upon g minus u square sin square theta upon 2g. Therefore h is equal to 2g is the LCM. 2g is the LCM. 2g you have to take the LCM. Now you multiply by 2. 2 u square sin square theta minus u square sin square theta. Yes, finally what you got here? 1 u square sin square theta is gone. Now here u square sin square theta upon 2g. What is the expression for the height of the projectile? Finally also take here h is equal to what you got here? U square sin square theta upon 2g. This is the expression for height of the projectile. So this is equation number 1. Now this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. This is the equation number 3. This is expression for what? Height of the projectile. Height of the projectile is u square sin square theta upon g. Now g is constant. 9.8 meter per second square is on an average acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. It is constant. What is u? Velocity of the projection. What is theta? Angle of the projection. What is its equation says that here what is this equation says that time of flight. Now see here, time of flight depending upon velocity of the projection and the angle of the projection. Velocity of the projection and angle of the projection. Now here also observe this one. This is the height of the projectile. Height of the projectile is also depending upon velocity of the projection and angle of the projection. For what angle of the projection height is maximum? Ultimate, that is theta is equal to what you say 90 degree. Sin theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1. What is the maximum height? H max. H max is equal to u square upon 2g. This is the maximum ultimate height. This is H max is equal to, that is u square upon 2g. This is the ultimate height. Theta is equal to 90. What is the condition for ultimate maximum height of the projectile? The condition for ultimate maximum height of the projectile is angle of projection is 90 degree. Angle of projection is 90 degree means what? This one? The body move vertically. Vertically means now this body move like this and return back to like this. This is the maximum ultimate H max. H max is equal to u square upon 2c. Because theta is equal to what to say here? 90 degree. Angle of projection is how much? 90 degree. This is the ultimate H max u square upon 2c. This is about height of the projectile. What is the maximum height of the projectile? The maximum vertical distance. The maximum vertical distance covered by the particle in projectile motion in the time is equal to t second. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಯಿತು ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ height. Yes, now we come to the point range of the projectile. What is the range? Another expression. Range of the maximum horizontal distance covered by the projectile. Maximum horizontal distance covered by the projectile in the time is equal to time of flight. In time is equal to time of flight. Here you take horizontal. Therefore, it is a horizontal range. It is a horizontal. Once you take the horizontal, now definitely only you will take velocity Ux is equal to u cos theta, Ax is equal to 0 because it is uniform. This is basically uniform. Velocity uniform. Velocity horizontal along the horizontal uniform. Acceleration 0. In a time t is equal to what? 2t. Time of flight. Therefore, range of the projectile range, that is r is equal to ux into plus 1 by 2 ax a square. T means what? Time of flight. In time is equal to time of flight here you have to take. Now when what is the time here from this one? T and t plus t 2t means capital letter T, time of flight. Now this is 0, acceleration is 0. Along the horizontal, u cos theta is uniform. U cos theta is uniform, automatically the time of flight is 0. Sorry, acceleration is 0. Once acceleration is 0, definitely r is equal to ux t, now plus 0. Therefore, r is equal to u cos theta into 2u sin theta divided by, that is essentially g divided by g. Range of the u sin theta. Yes, r is equal to u square 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by g. What is 2 sin theta into cos theta? Definitely it is sin 2 theta. This is r is equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. This is the expression for range of the What is range of the projectile? The maximum horizontal distance covered by the projectile in time is equal to time of flight. In time is equal to time of flight. Now this is about range of the projectile. This is a very basic important equation. How you got 2 sin theta into cos theta? Here sin theta plus theta is sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. Like a plus a. Now sin 2 theta is equal to this is sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta. This is equal to sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Instead of 2 sin theta into cos theta, I have to take here sin 2 theta. How you got? Got like this. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Both A and B are theta now. Therefore, sin theta into cos theta, cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Instead of 2 sin theta cos theta, this is your to take sin 2 theta. This is range of the projectile expression. Very, very important expression in the projectile motion. One is equation of projectile. Equation of projectile is in the form of parabola. I will show this. And the second expression is time of flight. Time taken for ascent is equal to time taken for descent. Therefore, time of flight is 2u sin theta by g. Got the expression? These things you explained in previous video. Today, I have to obtain the expression for height of the projectile. Height of the projectile, that is u square sin square theta upon 2z. For ultimate maximum height, theta is equal to 90 degrees. It is the condition for ultimate maximum height. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. And the angle of projection is 90 degrees. Then the ultimate maximum height of the projectile is, that is u square upon 2z. U square upon 2z. Then what is the condition for the maximum range of the projectile? Maximum range of the projectile. 2 theta is equal to 90 degree. Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 1. Now theta is equal to 90 by 2. This is 45 degree. Theta is 45 degree. when theta is equal to 45 degree, at that time you got the maximum range of the projectile. Now whatever you throw the body, you throw that body to the horizontal, it is at an angle of 45 degree, then it gives the maximum range. Now reach the maximum range location. To reach the maximum range location, at that time angle of projection should be 45 degree. You are operating, there is the missile on the target. ಮಿಸೈಲ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ವಾರ್ ನಡೆದಾಗ, ಯುದ್ಧ ನಡೆದಾಗ ಮಿಸೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೀಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಎರಡೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. Once again I repeat here, range of the projectile is also depending upon the velocity of the projection and angle of the projection. Already we discussed here. Now time of flight is mainly depending upon velocity of the projection and angle of the projection. Height of the projectile is also depending upon that is the velocity of the projection and angle of the projection. Even range of the projectile is also depending upon the velocity of the projection and the angle of the projection. Now when the angle of the projection is 45 degree, then it gives the maximum range. Now what is the condition for maximum range of the projectile? The condition of the maximum range of the projectile is angle of projection is 45 degree. What is the condition for the maximum ultimate height, ultimate maximum height of the projectile? At that time, angle of projection is 90 degree. This is about height of the projectile. Now what is the Rmax? Rmax maximum range of the projectile, that is u square by z. This is u square by 2z. U square by z. Ultimate maximum. For theta is equal to 45 degree, you show that, you see here, according to this one is Rmax is equal to u square by 2z. Or you said Hmax is equal to Rmax divided by for same velocity. So to take for the same velocity. ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. But angle of projection is different. I have 45 degree. Here it is 90 degree. At that time you take the range for the same velocity of the projection. Yes, this is maximum range of the projectile equation, u square by g. Yes, once again I repeat about the projectile motion. This is very important for NEET and JEE exam. You remember these basic things. You have to solve any complicated problems. Okay, it is very important. Projectile motion. In the projectile motion, what is the meaning of projectile motion? What is the velocity of the projection? What is the angle of the projection? And next point is, you show that equation of trajectory of a projectile is parabola. And you obtain the expression for the time of flight in the projectile motion. And you obtain the expression for the height of the projectile, maximum height of the projectile. Then condition for the ultimate maximum height of the projectile. Then one more important, that is said to be range of the projectile. In projectile motion, range of the projectile. These are the very important expressions in the projectile motion. In the projectile motion and examples. Basically, the projectile motion, it is two-dimensional motion. It is one of the best example for two-dimensional motion. Okay, this is about, that is the projectile motion. And I want to request to all the students, my dear students, to become a subscriber for our physics channel. How you press the red color subscriber button and you press the bell button, you become a subscriber for our channel, physics channel. I hope all of you become subscriber. Okay, thank you. And one more my students ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದರ್ 5th or 6th ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಇಸ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 6th ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎನಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಕೇಳೋದು, ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೇಳೋದು. Okay, thank you. All of you become subscriber for our channel. I hope all of you become subscriber. Yes.